everyone! Welcome to Health Prudent. We are back with another exciting and quite an important topic for you. Today, we're going to talk about what are carbohydrates and how it impacts your health. Before we get into the video, please be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you do not miss out when we upload new videos. And make sure to watch until the end to discover in detail about carbohydrates and what significant impacts they may have on your health. Without further delay, let's jump into the video. We all know that the things we consume daily can impact our health significantly, right? For instance, consuming too many carbohydrates may lead to insulin resistance, which can cause type 2 diabetes or cardiovascular disorder. It is worth mentioning that most people are confused about carbohydrates and their impact on our health. Many believe that consuming fewer carbohydrates is the key to optimal health, while some say that a higher carb diet is a way to optimal health. At the same time, some people also insist that moderation is better. However, we cannot deny that they play a major role in the human body. So, what are carbohydrates and what do carbs do to your body? In this video, we will answer these questions. What are carbohydrates? They are molecules that contain hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon atoms in particular ratios. In simple words, carbs are the starches, fibers, and sugars found in grains, veggies, dairy products, and fruits. They are considered macronutrients, which means that carbs are one of the three main ways your body obtains energy. The other two macronutrients are proteins and fats. Aldehyde and ketones are the two basic compounds that form carbohydrates. Here, it is worth mentioning that carbohydrates combine to form chains or polymers, which function as protective membranes for cells as well as organisms and long-term food storage molecules. Now, let's check what impacts carbohydrates have on your health. Number 1. They provide energy. The primary function of carbs is to provide energy for your body, and most of the carbs in your food are broken down into glucose before they enter your bloodstream. Your cells take up this glucose and produce a fuel molecule known as ATP via a series of complex processes called cellular respiration. The ATP is used by cells to power various metabolic tasks in your body. It is worth mentioning that most cells are able to produce ATP from a number of sources, such as dietary carbs and fats. However, if you consume a diet with a mix of nutrients, most cells would prefer to use carbohydrates as a source of energy. Moreover, your body stores excess glucose for later use. The stored glucose is released into your blood to provide energy throughout your body, and it helps maintain sugar levels. Number 2. Mental health. Studies have found that carbs can be important to your mental health. Researchers say that people who consume fewer carbs have more anxiety, anger, and depression. They say that carbohydrates help promote the production of serotonin in your brain. Moreover, consuming carbohydrates improves your memory. Number 3. Weight loss. While several people think that consuming more carbs leads to weight gain, let us tell you that the right kind of carbohydrates can actually help you reduce your weight. Several good carbohydrates such as whole grains and vegetables with skin come with fiber. It might be challenging for you to get a sufficient amount of fiber on a low-carb diet. Fiber can help you feel well. It is worth mentioning that dietary fiber usually comes in low-calorie foods. Studies have found that decreasing your fiber intake can actually increase your weight. Number 4. Preserve muscle. The stored glucose in your body is known as glycogen, and it can primarily be found in your muscle and liver. Glycogen is one of those ways the body ensures it has enough glucose. And if your body body lacks glucose from carbs, it can break down muscle into amino acids and convert it into glucose. Of course, this is not a good scenario, and severe loss of muscle leads to poor health. You must consume carbohydrates to preserve your muscle. Number 5. Carbohydrate deficiency. If you're not getting enough carbohydrates, it can lead to some serious health problems. Think about it. How will your body get energy without sufficient fuel? Moreover, your central nervous system will suffer badly without a sufficient amount of glucose in your body. This can lead to dizziness or mental as well as physical weakness. Without sufficient carbohydrates, your body will start consuming proteins for fuel, which puts stress on your kidney. This situation eventually leads to the passage of painful byproducts in your urine. Moreover, your body will not have enough protein to make muscles, and you might even suffer from digestive problems and constipation if you do not consume enough carbohydrates. Let's summarize what we have discussed today in this video. It is evident that carbs serve a number of key functions in the human body and provide you with energy for daily tasks. They are the primary fuel source for your brain. Carbohydrate deficiency in your body can cause severe health problems. Experts say that you should consume around 225 to 325 grams of carbs daily if you are following a 2,000-calorie diet. Moreover, we would recommend that you avoid added sugar, refined grains, sodas, sweets, and processed foods as much as possible and consume nutrient-dense, healthy carbohydrates. However, if a person is following a low-carb diet, their body will use alternative methods to produce energy and fuel for the high energy demands of the brain. If you're interested in living a longer and healthier life, please watch our other video, 10 Foods to Live a Longer and Healthier Life. In that video, we discussed in detail about 10 foods that will help you significantly to prevent your health from illness and live a healthy as well as a longer life. The link for the video appears at the top right corner of the screen, or you can find the link in the description box down below. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this helps you a ton. If you have enjoyed the video, share this with your friends and loved ones. Also, give it a big thumbs up. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss more videos of health, wellness, health tips, homemade remedies, nutrition, healthy eating, and much more. And I will see you soon with another interesting and quite an important topic for you. Till then, stay healthier!